I'm Mike Ryan, the CEO of RSP based in Brookfield, Wisconsin. Are you considering using high-quality recycled ocean plastic in your product or packaging? You might be wondering, is my product a good fit for recycled marine material? Well, thanks to RSP's relationship with OceanWorks and our extensive molding and processing capabilities, we have done a variety of projects using ocean plastic. Here are 5 examples of items that you can make with recycled material. Of course, the potential is limitless. Fork. This PET trident-shaped fork is made from food-grade material. Yes, there are several food-grade options in PP, HDPE, and PP. Glasses. Again, made from PET, food-grade material that is clear, strong, and supports a sustainability mission. Rigid packaging. This client mixed recycled ocean plastic with hemp and virgin material to produce a unique product that speaks to their clientele. Thermoform trays. Do you need trays or clamshells for your products or packaging? We have produced them from thin to thick. Yarn and fabrics. There are a variety of PET materials to choose from, and we can supply the yarn or fabrics. Here's one example of a sun rash guard. What else can you make with this material? A lot. Maybe you want to make something at your facility or at your current supplier. RSP also sells all the recycled raw materials from the OceanWorks catalog, as well as custom blends that we have formulated. We can also fabricate sheets and rolls. If you want to learn more about recycled ocean plastic or have questions for RSP, call or contact us today.